Welcome to Impana Tech World. Today I'm starting with a new concept, that is operators. Operators means it's used to perform the operations on variables and values. It is used to perform the operations on variables as well as values. The main operators is used to performing the operations. Okay. After this, in this operators, there are different types of operators. The first one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means which are used to perform common mathematical operations. It's a common mathematical operations. Common mathematical operations means like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and this is known as modulus. I'll say what is modulus means. Increment as well as decrement. In increment and decrement there is post increment, pre-increment, and also in decrement is post decrement as well as pre-decrement is there. Arithmetic operation is all the common mathematical operations where it will be having addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment as well as decrement. Now I'll show the program of that particular arithmetic operators. See, now I'm showing the program. First, we have to write include str.h. This is the preprocessor directive to import the particular printf. After this, I have to use int main. This is the common syntax for both all the programs. This is the common syntax. This include str.h as well as int main, common syntax. And next, you have to declare a variable and assign a value and one more variable and assign another value. After that, we have to print the particular value, that is printf, and this is integer, so that format specifier is t. New line, if you want you can write the new line, otherwise it's okay because there's no more data to print. Okay, so format specifier, new line, close the double inverted commas, comma. After that, I want to print a plus b. That means you're performing arithmetic operators. Next, after that, you can write return 0. That means no errors. Then close the curly braces. Okay, now the output will be 15. The same thing, for the same thing, same values you can perform minus, that is subtraction, and multiplication and also division. And I said there is a modulus, right? A modulus b. Modulus means it's a reminder. Modulus means it's a reminder. For example, a is equal to 10 and we'll take b is equal to 3. Okay, I'll show with this example, then I'll show with particular same example. Okay, after you take, that is int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to b is equal to 3. Now we'll find the modulus of this particular thing, that is 10 modulus 3. Okay, this is the solving part what I am doing for your understanding. Okay, so now 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are, it's 9. Okay, 1 is the remainder. So a modulus b, that is 10 modulus 3, it's 1. Modulus means remainder. Okay, now we'll take this particular example for modulus, that is 10 divided by 5, 2s are 10, 0. Now the modulus is 0. So modulus means remainder. Okay, then I said increment and decrement, right? One more concept was increment and decrement. Increment means plus and plus. Okay, first you have to declare like int a is equal to 5. The same thing, this will be same. Okay, include str.h, int main will be same, and declaring the value, declaring the variable and assigning the value. After this particular thing, you have to write the increment, that is, so where you can declare this particular increment means, see, this is printf. Okay, printf, this is the integer. After writing the format specifier, that is %d, you have to close the double inverted comma and then comma, you have to write a plus plus. This is known as post increment. This is known as post increment. Post increment means, see, if you have the value that is 5. 5 plus plus means first it will print 5. Then means output will be 5. Again, if you give printf percentile d n comma a, okay, this output, this particular is output for which a plus plus means the output will be 5. For this the output will be 5. If you give again this, okay, then it is incremented, that is output will be 6. First it will print, then it will increment. So if you give a plus plus, that means 5. If you give again, like if you declare again a means it will give 6. Once it is printed, it has been incremented. The same thing when you come for pre-increment, okay, this is the pre-increment. So what will be the output for this when you do this particular, the same thing, okay, printf, and you have to write plus a. If you change in this part means what is the output? The output will be 6 itself, because it's already incremented and then it is been printed, okay. But in this, first it is printed and then only it is been incremented. If it is a plus plus means that will be 5. If it is plus plus a means it will be 6, okay. Next we'll see the decrement. For decrement, the same way, okay, other things will be common, that is include SO.h and int main, that will be common. Now I have to declare the value, that is declare the variable. You see, int a is equal to 5, okay. Int a is equal to 5, then I am giving printf percentile d format specifier, new line. After that I'll write a minus minus. The same concept like post increment, okay. First it will print, that is output will be 5 only. But after, if you again declare, that is printf percentile d, that is n, if you declare again, then the output will become, if you declare again, that is a, the output become 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. In this post increment, first it is printed, then increment or decrement will occur. Increment by 1 or decrement by 1 will happen. But in pre-increment, that is pre-increment or decrement, that is pre-increment or decrement, the output will be first only it has been incremented or decremented. For minus minus a, the output will be 4. First only it is decremented. That is the concept. Now I'll show in the system this particular code. But before that, for every printf, see, there should be a semicolon, okay, closed with a semicolon, otherwise it will show the errors, okay. Can you see this? It is arithmetic operation, as I said, that is x is equal to 5. The variable can be anything, a or b, okay. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. So it's been adding. What is 5 plus 3? It is 8. In the same place, you can include minus also. That also I'll show. That is minus, okay. We'll see what is the answer for this. See, 5 minus 3 is 2. In the same place, you can include multiplication, division, modulus, okay, and one more increment I'll show you now. For this particular program only, I'll show the increment and decrement also. Increment and decrement is same, but I'll show for increment now, okay. See, I have already declared the particular variable and also assigned the value as 5. Now I'll show the increment thing. This is post increment. We'll run this particular code now. See, first it has printed as 5. Okay, again if you declare the particular x, then it will print it as 6. First it will print, then only it will increment. Now I have declared again. We'll see, wait, what is the answer? First it is printed, then it will increment. This is known as post increment. Okay, I'm sorry, I have not written that new line, right? So if you write the new line, then only it will come in the new line. Otherwise, this is the problem. Now we'll run this particular thing. Okay, now you can see first it has been printed, then only it has been incremented. The same way you can do for pre-increment as well as pre-decrement. Okay, same concept, increment and decrement. Now we'll see, first only it will increment. Pre-increment means the answer output will be 6. Okay, that's it. In today's class, we have learnt about operators. What is operators means? It's performing the operations, and one operators I have learned today, that is arithmetic operators. In the next upcoming class, I will be teaching about different operators. Thank you. If you like the content, like, share and subscribe. That's it.